Welcome back to another video by ALTBAE. I just want to give a shout out to my influx of new subscribers. So you have seen what I look like on through Crypto Gains' video. So I'll keep this brief. Today I want to talk about XEN cryptocurrency. So before I continue, I must let you know I am not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money and only invest what you can afford to lose. So XEN, ticker is XEN. It's short for Extensible Enterprise Notation. So it's one of those words where they put the X, like they took the second letter from the first word on there. So let's bring this up. At the current price in Great British pounds, it's 12345 126, and in US dollars, let's just convert that quickly. 12345 and 159 US dollars. I think it's right near the bottom. There have been other YouTubers who covered this a few months ago where it was higher. I don't think this can really get as low. And look at it, 99% down. And the reason why I wanted to discuss this with you today is, as you may or may not know, or at least remind you, that there should be more development with the quote unquote Independence Day for the XEN project on the obviously 4th of July. So the tied in with the United States of America's Independence Day. So there's quite a few points on it as well. Jack Levin, Fair Crypto Foundation, has a mission to have fair crypto. Essentially going back to kind of the ethos of what crypto currencies is all about, of being able to have a trustless and fair way of using crypto in everyday life, and having like principles of self-custody, transparency, trust through consensus, and permissionless value exchange without a counterparty. So prior to this, there's been avenues to mint the tokens relatively free, except for the Ethereum gas fees. And when people do mint the XEN tokens, they effectively lock it up for however many days, like up to 400 days. Like the longer it's minted, the more XEN tokens they can get as a reward. But you can't take it out early. So, and as more people get XEN tokens, or there's more users in the network, it will become harder to mint, and the kind of the APR or APY will go down over time as well. And also there's mechanisms as well, so it will make it like relatively hard to kind of like pump and dump. And there's also if you do, I do encourage you to look into this further, read a lot, or as much as you can, and there are kind of other YouTube videos as well, especially podcasts with Jack Levin as well. So I came across one, I can't remember the YouTuber's name as well, but he was on a podcast and he was just showing how quickly he could send over money through Bitcoin and send through bridging, etc. So I think this is an interesting project. I would like to do an update video maybe in about 2 to 3 months time, but obviously I will be paying attention to what happens at tomorrow's Independence Day, and we'll see what happens. For a price prediction, I think this could between 70 to 100x your money, but I would think it will be maybe about looking at a kind of 2 to 3 year time frame. So, which is good. Not every coin is going to shoot to the moon, especially where we're not in altcoin season just yet. So if you did find that interesting, please leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. In my next video, I will be talking about more than one token. I'm going to be putting my kind of recommendations for which should be in your portfolio for the month of July. So maybe tap the bell as well so you don't miss a video. We'll see you in the next one. And happy researching!